Hey everyone, my name is Neil and I'm the test kitchen manager at Haven's Kitchen Sauces, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Coconut Cashew Thai mussel curry. So for this recipe you're going to need some sort of shellfish and typically mollusks. So there are two kinds of shellfish, it's either mollusks or crustaceans. Mollusks would be clams and mussels, and crustaceans would be lobster and crayfish. Coconut oil, which is amazing because we're making something with coconut milk, and I just feel that coconut oil just complements the flavors of the coconut milk. We have coconut milk, lime, some minced garlic and some minced ginger. You could use galangal, which would make it super authentic too, but it's a little difficult to source, so we're going to go with the ginger. I have cilantro, coriander, and of course I have our Haven's Kitchen cocoa cashew sauce. So I'm gonna get started, and the first thing I want to do is kind of saute my aromatics, in this case the ginger and the garlic, in the coconut fat. At this point it smells so good, and I'm just going to add about half a pouch of my cocoa cashew sauce. So I'm going to add my coconut milk. Looks and smells so good. Now that my base has come to a simmer, I'm just gonna add my mussels in, put the lid on, and cook them away for like 7 to 8 minutes. Pinch of salt. And while my mussels are steaming, I'm just going to get my garnishes ready. I'm going to get the lime wedges ready, and I'm going to really finely chop the cilantro. Oh, that smells so good. And look at that. So the mussels are there, and you know that they're really fresh because I can see that almost all of them have opened up. I'm just going to let them sit in the pan for like probably a minute or two more, and it's done. Just put the lid back. What am I saying? This is so good. You know where to find the recipe. It's down in the link given below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Neil. I'm the test kitchen manager at Haven's Kitchen, and you really need to make this to know why I'm so distorted right now.